In this video, I'm going to show you how to register warranty for Whirlpool washing machine. Now, the first thing you want to do on their official website, you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and then over here on the left-hand side under service and support, it's going to say product registration. So just click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to go ahead and click on laundry over here where it asks you what type of appliance you're registering. So click on laundry. And then over here, you have the option of a washer. Okay, so I'm just going to click on washer, which is the washing machine. And then it's going to ask you to search for your model number and then for your serial number as well. So here, if you don't know how to get it, you can just click on help me find, and it's going to basically show you where you can find it. And here, there's a bunch of different places it could be. So on the back, inside the washer lid, or on the back of the base frame to the left. So as you can see, of course, you'll have to take a look, and where you find it, you can just type in the model over here. You can start typing to actually select. It's going to pop you a few options, and you can then select the one that's relevant to you. And then here, the serial number should be inputted in as well. And when you do all that, press continue. It's going to ask you a bunch of different questions, like about your personal info and stuff like that. And whenever you come to the very end, you'll be able to confirm it, and then your product will be successfully registered. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.